Hi guys, welcome back to JPUploads, and today we're going to be unboxing the DJI Osmo. Let's have a look. Right, so there it is, the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. So without further ado, let's start unboxing it. Alright, so there is the best moment of unboxing. Alright, nearly there. So it comes with the manuals, all the boring stuff. And then the main part, there it is. So it comes in this box, but I wouldn't use it for a carrying case. Alright, so let's open it. Okay. There you go. So there's the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. Right, so let's get it out of this case. Right, so there it is. Then it comes with these different toggles so you can move the actual gimbal. You can record from here, and you can also zoom in and zoom out instead of doing it from your phone. Right, so moving on to the back. So it also comes with a USB port. So one thing that the Mobile 2 has that the Mobile 1 didn't have is that now you can charge your iPhone on the go. So with that USB port there. So that's quite a cool new feature. Right, so then there's now, so they've moved to micro USB for charging the Osmo. Then at the bottom, now it's got like a tripod stand instead of having the batteries. But one thing that this doesn't have now is that it doesn't have removable batteries, which in my opinion is quite good, so yeah. Right, so as well as the Osmo, in the box it also comes with the micro USB charger for it. And apart from that, that's it in the box. Right, so what you'll first want to do is locate yourself with a balance adjustment knob, which is located at the back of the Osmo, behind the mount holder for your phone. Right, so once you've done that, make sure your Osmo is off and place your phone landscape into the holder. Right now, so once you've done that, you'll notice that your phone is not balanced. So in order to get it balanced, you want to adjust this knob, and then you want to either pull it out or pull it in to balance it. Right, so now, as you can see, this is near enough balanced. So I'm going to pull it out slightly a bit more, and then now I can see it is near enough balance. So once it's like that, tighten the knob back up, and then now power up the Osmo by holding down this button. Right, now you can see that it's just moved into place, and now it's balanced. And if you want to do that for portrait mode, you do the exact same thing and just make sure it's balanced. Right, so first we have the home button, so that's where you can select what device you want to use. Then we have this camera symbol where you can change the video resolution, and then you can have it, and then we've got the beautify effects, so you can change the effects, and then you've got manual adjust, so you can fix the ISO, change the shutter, etc. And then we've got white balance, so you can change that. Then grid, so you can have a grid on your screen, and then you can turn on the flash. Right, Moving on, you have the gimbal, so you can change the scene mode. So if you're walking, it just slows down the gimbal and the movement, whereas sport mode, it changes it and makes it quicker if you're running. Then we have camera, so your video resolution, so what we just went over. And then we have a panorama quality. And then after that, we have the gimbal. So basically you can adjust the speed of your gimbal and how fast it moves when you move the toggle. And then all just other settings of inverting it and things like that. Then we have general, so it just tells you your device name, not much more. And then on the live section, you can live stream straight from the app onto different social media platforms. So on the left hand side, we first have the option to change the camera mode from camera to video. Then below that we have different options, so standard, slow motion, time lapse, hyperlapse and motion lapse. Then below that you have the option to flip your camera to your front facing camera. And then below that is where all your videos and pictures are saved. Now lastly, there's a feature called active tracking, which allows the Osmo to track a thing constantly. Now you will see, with the app, you can now use this toggle here to move the Osmo left and right, up and down, and also you can zoom using this side button here.